Now,
video, they'll share us.
now, insufficient again.
We have people doing video already, they will share us.
Now,
Yes.
this farm, we will see this particular farm in May this year. And we started officially on 1st of July. So this month was when we came here to put the first fish. This is the first fish we put in here. Hello, please. This is the first fish. Jumbo. We brought in here, we brought in here juvenile. Now, fish do better in 18 pond than in concrete pond. For these people don't disturb it. They have freedom to play around. Water don't get dirty, it doesn't smell, doesn't get polluted, but it's natural. So these were the fishes we brought in first. Just to come and pray and make sure something has entered the farm. It was 10 days ago we brought all these ones. Now we planted some fruits in between.
For today, come tomorrow.
So we planted some fruits at every interval in the fish pond, so that we can maximize it. There are apples here, there are guavas here. By Thursday, we are bringing fish, a lot of fruit from Kaduna.
Apple.
So this one came in 10 days ago.
Apple. You planted apple.
A lot of mango apple. We planted over 50 pieces.
This one came in as jumbo.
No, this one came in as fingerless, juvenile, sorry. 10 days ago. Tell them they come tomorrow, please. Let's go.
So the only thing you can do is to come tomorrow. You can't make it
Now,
again.
we bought it 5,000. 25,000.
Yeah, because
What happened this one now, like this morning, I took out almost 2,000. That is what I was giving them at the venue today.
told the people why.
But some of them said they wanted jumbo juveniles. So I had to come here to carry. So the guys, what you get is like less than 3,000.
One or three. There's no missed off.
Yeah, come, let's be fast so that we can move. What is so this one is 5,000 here. You can see there's more activity here compared to that one. Now, this is it. Don't waste time. Are you with me? From here down to the end are ponds. Everywhere ponds. You can see fish there. You can see activity. But there was an error here. My boys did not take note of time. The fish is here, the water was flooded. And all the fish entered this place and disappeared.
Wow.
That's why we quickly blocked that place and block here.
Okay.
So we quickly started putting this cement bags. So when there's any high volume of water, it can prevent the fish from escaping.
Yeah.
So that's why that one, there's not much activity. But from there you can see the movement of the water. There's something moving there.
Yes, and that one looks
No,
stagnant.
if you even look at that one, it's activity. So from here down to the ends are ponds. But the one we separated for those who want to be part of the investment is the last 5. Towards that, from that palm tree there down, we left 5 for those who want to be part of the what do you call it, investment. Now let me tell us this. This farm has only 8 people involved. 8 thus far. And among 8 of us, we have agreed to do 100,000 for ourselves. And all the 100,000 fish are already on the farm. You can take a stroll down. You see all the ponds are filled. There's no empty ponds from here. Down to the end. You still have 5 that's empty, and this one that the fish escaped. Now, those are 10 of us. We'll look at what we can do. What we have, after telling them this is what I want us to do. Since we have been working together for the past 3 years, they came on board. The least person among us is just doing only 4,000. But other people that came for this 2,000, 1,000 say, join yourself. So you come under a name. So we can work with you under that name. So it was true that some of you were calling. I was okay. We'll give you guys that 5 points. And that's your own now. We're trying to give you people 50,000. But fortunately, one of you is also close to me. I've taken 20,000 from your group. So what your group can do now is just 30,000. Is that okay? So in the group, we discuss more about it. Now, how we operate is this. We don't want people to come and say, leave me a pond. I don't want trouble. I want to have a peaceful business. All my business under my control is where I manage it. The only thing investors have, whenever they want to come in the group, we post it. All of us can come collectively to assess performance of things. Because one person to enter the road and come here and say want to enter the farm won't agree. Because one, the person doesn't know the property. Two, you're not the only person operating here. And three, you didn't put a fish, you only passed through me. Therefore, for security purpose, you can see the distance we all came from. They will not see evil reports. So, but one thing is certain, when the time for the fish sales come, it is then left for all of us to sit down. This is the price that have been offered from Kado Market. Do you have a better price from somebody else that is better than this? Because the fishes are not mine. My own quantity of fish here, I know my value. I know the value of everybody. But when you say, okay, give me my own fish, we just come, it's due. We'll scale it for you, we come with your vehicle, we'll give you your own value. Bye-bye. We say, okay, follow the team, how much they sell. There's no pressure. As we sell, everybody accredited, we continue. Why we could do this at a larger scale is that since 2016, we have been doing it. And it has been helpful. People ask me, what is my own benefit? One, I have my factory. I produce my feeds. Okay? So instead of selling my feeds to outsider, already have a farm that can consume high volume of feeds for my company. For instance, for me to feed, let's say 200,000 fish. 200,000 fish is almost 7 trailer load of feeds. That is 210 metric tons, 210 tons. We're talking of, you know what I mean, 7 big trailers. That's what I'm now assured I can supply a point under my control. So more other benefit is that the fish coming out from my farm still. So I'm selling to the farm. And the selling fish and selling that, I've got you something. So at the end of the day, when the time for the sales come, if everybody are happy, Mr. Water and Coal and those who have helped us to manage, can say, okay, maybe 2 or 5% of our profit. You can say, hey, you guys, take. You understand my point? So that everybody can be carried along and everybody can be happy. But one thing is certain. If we are doing 30,000 for you, you should be sure we are doing 60,000. Because in case anything happens to anything, that other backup will have meet up. Like you saw in Lugbe. The Lugbe is in that group. They're not, he's the monitor of that group. They're not, they are probably 6,002. But I'm doing 10,000, if not more. Just because when the time comes, they sell, the monitor will come, the group will come, take their group, any SS is mine. Because I'm doing SS, not just doing precise. Are we okay with that? Yes. Pastor? Yes. Is it a good proposition?
Yes.
Ross?
Thank you.
Ajia?
Yes, sir.
It's a good one. Now, I'll tell you a testimony about this farm. And it's a good testimony because May, there was a program we did in May. And before I came for that program, there was a fellowship I started in when I served in Ota. That's Nigeria Christian Corpus Fellowship. So I started the branch in Ota. So I monitored them, and by God's special help, we built them a lodge where we spent over 20 million. The corpus come and stay free. They don't pay. It's in my estate. So they're staying there. But when I was coming in May, there was something happened. They needed money. And I said, God, I want to sow this money for them to solve that problem. Because new corpus came in. So I sowed that money. So what I was sowing that money for was something else. And I had peace in my mind when I was coming to Abuja. So my other family in the best, I needed my attention more because it's also half of this property. But when I came after my program, I wanted to go back. Somebody just said, I'm telling you a real life story. Said, hey, go and say something. Like I was saying yesterday. And we came here. He said, Onoja, from beginning to the end, everything here. Are you getting it? So if the person fenced, he bought, he did everything, and said, take. What do I want to do? Are you getting it? That's why I did the seminar. The person was just sitting looking at all of us. I said, come, that's what I want to do with the property. But none of you knows it. Very humble person. You don't even see anything million in that person's life. But so this is a gift that came out of a seed son. I did something to help other people's children. God brought somebody higher than me to bring this to be. Then I brought out money to bring the excavator to come and dig. He said, no. You want to dig it by himself. That I should not bother. And before I talk 1 week, 2 weeks, just send the video. That's been done. So for me not to stop him, I just quickly carry fish. I'm flooding the farm. I just called me. He's the one that called me that says taking 20,000 slots from the 50,000. And to make matters sweet, he have forwarded the 10 million to the account. I've seen that lot. So to let you know how that person believes. I've been close in business for 7 years. For 7 years. And I never knew the person was studying my kind of human being. Without collateral, nothing. But we thank God that this have come to be. By this time next year, when we shall come here again, what we shall see here, it shall be something that our eyes can say, this is just God. So if not God that brought me here, I don't think all that have happened in less than 2 months will have happened. So that's my testimony. So Pastor, real life story. Bros, So for those of us who want to be part of it, we have a meeting by 7 in the group that I've created. Is that okay?
We are not yet there.
No, you migrate. I send the link. So are you not in the end of the training group?
I'm not in any.
But you have your receipt.
Yes, with you.
My receipt, there will come upon it.
But you have your receipt. You have written your number behind.
I did not write number. I gave her
WhatsApp number.
I don't.
Okay. You have my number? How come you don't have my number?
Okay, you see on
Your
that.
number,
What
your
do you
number
number
is
for my
not
number?
there.
Send me a message through WhatsApp.
Okay.
And put me in a group. I'll pay today. I want to be first. Once the 7 meeting starts, then those who want to who now commit themselves financially will be migrated to the real group. Once we meet up the number we're looking for, we close that group. So I want to kick off. The first batch must kick off by 1st of August. I want to kick off by 1st of August. Second batch will be. Let me see how the first batch look like. Because if the first batch take over everything, there's no need for having the second batch again. Because I don't want to spend so much money again on facility, so that we can start spending money on feeding. The next year when we have harvested, if we do now, August, September, October, November, December, January, we should sell those group. By December they should be due, but there will be so many fish on the farm. So we put a mine more for January, which is for 6 months. After January, we start again immediately by February. And then by July, we'll close that transaction where the capital will go back with our profit. Those who want to come back again, we can ask, okay, we are starting. You must see your capital back. Not just profit. When you see your capital back, you want to come back again to join us. Beautiful. Are we okay? So is there any question anybody want to ask? Quickly, because I want to move.
Move now or no,
Those who want to go can go.
See, we cannot work out. If you go, we'll leave you here.
Those work out.
You saw them when they were going. I should have followed them.
By 5, all of us will be here.
The plan is bringing water out. That's beautiful. And now we'll put pumping machine and pump here. All the fish will not be on the floor. We'll not pack it out.
And when you want to harvest again,
We'll pump the water out
and
and then pack the fish out. It's a minor thing. Question. No question again. All right, sir, no question. No question again.
no.
So the 5 empty ponds are down there. Okay, so if you want to see it, they're there. But I planted apple in between. That's why I see that stick. There's apple there. There's one here. Okay, you step on my apple. Because where is it? That is 5,000 naira CD.
yes.
That's apple. They call it Mangudu apple. And we have a group for it. Don't worry, we'll transfer you
Is
there
it in Yoruba or which language?
from Kenya.
Okay.
Yoruba,
So we planted 50 on each of them down.
My good.
Where's the food? It's windy. Can you answer? What did you say?
Still answer them again now.
Them now. I gave you phone, you just leave it to him. Don't do it.
They will not call ordinary Ahmed that day.
Exactly. That's what they will do.
Mr. Noja,
And that will not
they
want
will
to
call
listen
ordinary
to
Ahmed
you.
say
again.
nobody is speaking the phone.
If you call me, I'll tell him that they came late. He knows me now. I'll tell him the truth. All right. Also, you pray for us, sir.
Sir.
So let us pray before we go, please.
All right, that's fine.
I can hear you.
The CD they gave to me is not